yet another haul video. I went to one thrift store today and I picked up some of these items. Now, this video will not come out until Thursday following my late night sale on Wednesday. So some of these items may have already been sold by the time you see them. I do apologize for that, but I wanted them to be in the video just so you guys could see some of the treasures I picked up. The rest of the items I got from High Bid, so I'm still showing some of those. But with no further ado, I want to start over here with this amazing signed Portuguese platter. It's a very large dish. It's an excellent shape. The colors are amazing. The pattern is amazing. Of course, I love that there is a deer and a bird. It's just absolutely fantastic. It is hand painted, so there's some areas like right in there that look to be scratched, but they're not. It's in great shape. This is large. Like I said, I have not measured it yet, but I do want to show you the back to show you that it is signed. Here we go, made in Portugal for Nora Fenton. And that is the artist right there, Nati or Nate, I'm not quite sure. But there's the Nora Fenton sticker right there. I have picked up some Nora Fenton pieces before, and I think they're amazing ceramics. I was really surprised to find this. This was at Value World Thrift. I was shocked. I also got this. This is also from Value World Thrift. This is a Talavera picture frame. It is so colorful and beautiful. It has the moon and a sun here up top. Beautiful pink colors. It's just gorgeous. Here's the back. No damage on it whatsoever. So pretty and so cool. I had to pick that up. Shocking to find more than one thing at Value World Thrift. Not only did I find those, I found this there. This is from 1977, and I know that because it says so on the bottom. Now this is a wooden, it's handmade. It's a wooden decanter set, and it's awesome, guys. So it comes on this tray. Now I'm pretty sure there may be a little glass that's missing, but here's the tray here. I think that's sticker residue there in the middle, but just look at the amount of detail on this. It's just amazing. This is so boho. It's so cool. I was just shocked to find it. I love the little cups. I just think this is an amazing piece. It's very unique. Okay. I also got this. I did not get this at Value World Thrift. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot that I went to Garland Road Thrift. And I only picked up one thing here. It was this hand-painted Fenton bear. It's like a, I'm not sure if it's custard glass, but it's definitely like a satin glass finish. They painted glasses. And, well, is that a little skirt, I guess? Not quite sure. But it is signed here on the bottom by the artist, designed and hand-painted by Marilyn Wagner. But how cute is that? Super cute. Marilyn did a great job on this little bear. Then I got this. Now, this is Wheaton glass, and this came as part of a High Bid lot. And this is Eisenhower. It's beautiful. Let me just show you the detail. It's, you know, green carnival glass. Here is the bottom where it does say Wheaton First Edition Commemorative. These are always so cool. His greatest conquest, the hearts of the American people. Dwight David Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States, 1953 to 1961. So that's cool. Good piece of history right there. Then I picked up this. Now this was part of a High Bid lot, I do believe. This is awesome. So I'm sure you've seen this rooster design in a lot of other Japan pieces and their wooden pieces. They use it a lot. Very kitschy. And this is some sort of snack holder. It's so cute. It's got a handle. I don't know what kind of snacks you put in there. Maybe nuts or candy. I'm not quite sure. But the paint is fantastic on this. It's just a cool piece. So I went ahead and got that. Then this was also part of a high bid lot. This is a beautiful bell, and it's Goodwill. It's clear glass, as you can see, with a frosted butterfly here on top. And this is a Mother's Day bell, 1979, so it's definitely got some age. No chips or scratches on it. It's very, very pretty. It does have Goodwill here on the inside, West Germany. It's just really pretty, really cool. Then I got this. Now, it's going to require a little bit more research. So looking at it, I thought, oh, that's Imperial. It's not. I do believe this is Northwood, and I do believe it's antique. I do need to clean it. This was a high bid winning, and it came in a lot with this piece of glass and that, and this one as well. I was going for this piece in the lot just because I thought it was beautiful. This little swung vase with the ruffled edges and the ribbing. It's in excellent shape, but from what I read, this is antique, and it's very hard to see, but there's it's like a double signature on here, Northwood. If I'm right, if my research is right, I'm going to have to dig some more. If any of you know for sure, let me know. But it's definitely not Imperial. That is not an Imperial mark on the bottom. Okay, then I got this. Now this is Jeanette. This is a really large dish. And this is the iris and herringbone pattern, not planter. This is obviously marigold carnival glass, and it's just really pretty. No damage on it. The design is beautiful. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I love it. I think the irises are really pretty. It's got this beautiful ruffled edge as well. Again, this is a big dish. This would be a great ephemera bowl. For instance, I mean, there are just so many things you can do with this. So cool. Then I picked up this basket. Now, I actually got this at the thrift store today. I was very surprised. I don't ever find beaded baskets. I think I found them once or twice. And the entire time that I've been doing live sales, this is a big one. It's very, very pretty. It's pink with the clear, and it's in great shape. It's phenomenal. Haven't measured it yet, but it is a big one. Very, very cool. Then this last piece I got is Duncan Miller. And obviously this is clear glass, but you know, it's going to come back, y'all. I'm just saying. And this is a gorgeous piece. I just love this design. I love these kind of bubbles here, kind of an optic effect. And then you have bigger ones here on the side. This is just a beautiful, beautiful vase. I think it just would be beautiful on its own in a display. Now, there is one flaw, if you want to call it a flaw. There's this kind of bubbling right here, and that's actually in the glass. It's not a scratch. It's not a chip. It's inside the glass. So something happening in the making of this. But I don't think it takes away from the beauty of this. I think it's phenomenal. I don't regret buying it. I just think it's absolutely stunning. Okay, guys. So again, this will come out the day after the sale. So some of these items may already be gone, but you are more than welcome. I forgot to show you guys these brooches. Now, how could I forget? Okay, so this cyclist is awesome. First of all, the wheels on this rotate. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard for me to do with one hand. But it does move. It has this motion to it, which I think is amazing. It is gold tone. And there's like teeny tiny little rhinestones in there. I'm going to clean this brooch and see if I can get it to glow a little bit more. I don't believe it's marked. It is not marked. But guys, how cool is this? And this is a larger brooch. I think it's so fun. I love that the wheels move. Okay, so then I got this really pretty giraffe brooch. Let's see if we can focus. Focus. It's not going to happen, is it? There we go. It's gold tone, and then it has this really pretty, it almost looks like stone for the giraffe spots, but but I do believe it's just enamel. Here is the back of it. Excellent shape. Probably more of a modern piece, but I think it's lovely. I love giraffes, and it's just a really cool brooch. Then, sorry about that, guys. Amazon delivered and the dog started barking, so I had to pause there. So there's the giraffe. Then I got this really cute dachshund. He does have rhinestones, and he's so cute. I love his little blue bow. It's not very often that I find silver tone brooches, so when I do, I pick them up. He just doesn't want to focus. There we go. How cute is he? Absolutely adorable. So guys, that's my short little haul for today. By this point, you probably should know that we have moved our Wednesday sales to Tuesday at 7 Eastern, which will be 6 Central and 4 Pacific. We are going to be having some collabs coming up soon. I'm very excited about that. And just stay tuned. We're going to have our normal jewelry sale on Friday. We're going to keep doing that for the near future. So stay tuned for our Friday jewelry sales. Those are at 5 Eastern, 4 Central, and 2 Pacific. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. If you see something that you're interested in purchasing, also feel free to reach out. You can email or DM me. Please don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and to hit the like button, leave a comment if you have something to say. Thanks, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you next time.